everybody want blow. Now he make Eseosa live beneath. Come Lagos, so small girl with big dreams. Way like the big things. Eseosa no gree for anybody. Make you dey chase money. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no be kere. Akanchawa Baddie, no tire for hustle. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no be kere. Akanchawa Baddie, you have to make it.
Sharks. You will tell you.
Yeah, that sounds will come from outside.
Who can they blow whistle? Wait. I cannot be like somebody to try escape.
Escape from this place? How?
Maybe by how? We just here now. You could be saying Eseosa don't escape. You also here.
Eseosa don't escape.
I know. I just dey talk.
Osaze. But you know, say we suppose plan how we would take move to now.
Move to where? As how?
To escape now.
From where?
From this place.
You don't see burglary. You don't see how the house
I
behave.
don't observe. I dey observe since back on the this window side.
Back on it. So if back on it, what you can assume?
We jump now.
Go shut up. Shut up. We cannot slap you. We jump with it. Like you don't assume.
So you want the here?
Once you jump now, crack, you go here.
Okay. Crack. When you dey here, crack. I dey go. Remain for here.
Sharks. This one only crazy.
Hey, if you jump this place. Hey, sharks. So your enemies don't finally catch up with you. Yeah. I want to pass this place. Oh, hey.
Sharks. Jesus. This place how you?
Now, our only choice be this one. Osaze? What you dey do? I don't check everywhere. Security no dey. Now our only option be this. You need to do am. We need to pass this place. Why you dey look down? You dey fear heights?
I don't go lie for you. At this point, I dey fear heights. Tell me no dey live for upstairs now. Person fall for ground. You don't know how many bones go break.
Ha! Why you dey give me your hand?
No, be so they do am for American film. If they won't jump, the man go give a hand. He go hold hand tight, look yourself. Then the next thing they go jump now. I mean, they know they die now. Yes, now move run, move just fly come out.
You don't break your head before.
This is why they talk now. We no get time. Mama, people will come and drug kill us with that. Give me a hand, move fly this thing.
Yeah, go first now. Just go first. If you go, I go follow you.
Okay, you know what go happen. Just wait for here. Ma, go see whether I will see anything one we put or go take jump.
We are hurry now. They quick, oh, they quick. Come on, they watch. Maybe I go use this side. All of them are the same side, oh. Ah! Hey!
Baddie, I want to trust Isoken. Isoken wey fit sell me out. Where me and I be best friend from childhood. He still fit lie to me like this. No fit trust that kind of person now. So you not supposed to trust this girl. She fit sell me out, give Mama P and bullion van. That girl can do anything at this point. Person wey fit sell your identity. Now I want trust. Hey! Maybe Osaze face with that. Plenty these people don't kill Osaze. They don't buy Osaze. Hey! This girl don't tell they say they head for you. This girl don't tell they say they head for you. They go buy me.
need to leave. I need to escape. Ah.
Now. Hey, Sharks, calm down now. Everything go to Superman. Wait, I go check, make sure see everywhere clear. Then I'll give you signal. Go back, go back. Sorry. Sorry, sir. I'm so sorry. Baba, I beg you in the name of God. I beg, no shoot me. I beg, no shoot me. I beg, I be your guy. Do this thing for brotherhood, I beg. Yeah, I beg. And I know say I want run. I define way I want peace. You understand? So I come out from this place and I do it. Osaze, run! Osaze, run! Osaze! Just don't keep it. No, we won't go.
Osaze, may we just dey run, dey go. It better make those people no catch us. May we dey go.
Even if you just dey run, dey hide.
Osaze, may those people no catch us. May we dey.
Who be this? Eseosa. No, who won't wait for you? Now you put us for the one with you.
Where is she?
She there here just now, boss.
Do I look like a fool to you?
No, boss. Boss, she there here just now.
Isoken!
Yes, boss.
Where the girl?
Ma, she there here just now, I swear. She there here just now.
You taking me for a fool?
No, ma.
So where is she?
Ma, she be one escape now. Me catch him. I catch him for you, boss. I swear.
So you bring me call here for nothing, Abi?
Ma, no, ma, she there.
Isoken!
Yes, boss.
Where the girl?
She there here just now.
Where the girl? I ask you.
She
Where the girl?
She there here just now.
Wait. Wait. That means it clears here. Your hand did this matter. Now you thief my money.
Oh, madam, I didn't know how to take anything. Mom, innocent, ma. Mom, innocent.
Now you take my money.
I don't take.
Oh, you and your friend plan to thief my money.
No, ma. I didn't know anything. She didn't hear just now.
You just there for kitchen quiet, but you dey plan many things, Abi? So now you be the mastermind behind this thing wey dey happen.
I'm innocent, ma. I'm innocent.
Where the girl got there? She there, where the girl?
I'm innocent, please.
If I give you 500, if I laminate my back out for your face, see, it's okay. I just dey own myself. I know myself. If I unleash, see, by the time I'm done interrogating you, baby, by the time I'm done interrogating you, the truth will come out.
Boss. Madam, she there here just now. She there here just now.
Mama,
But give me sugar cane first.
Am anybody they worry you?
I just don't feel like that thing.
Am if anybody they worry you, make me know.
Sure, wow. Now you talk small. What about the prisoners? Were you able to get anyone?
About all those guys who escape. Or there's that, what's it they call that agent. When you know no sir, Sabi saying still they alive.
I don't need the agent.
Why not, Mama?
That's because I already know who the mastermind is.
Papa. Mama, who it be? Clear me, Mama, who it be?
It's you. Oh, you be saying no. But you know what I be normally now, Mama P. You know what the P stands for normally. You say no cash you. Because on the norms, only Isoken not feel run that package by herself. She be your girl. You just rope everybody inside to confuse me. Even that Eseosa herself innocent. I could be. Not clear for your eye, Abi?
How did they talk now?
What how they talk?
This the way they talk, it reason and well. Not me, oh.
Who you be? You not be actor, you not be boss. What can't pass where you be? I didn't lie, Abi?
Mama, come. All this way they talk, I don't even understand. Because all this way they mention, I don't even know who they talk about, self.
Oh, you know Sabian? Bring her out.
Move.
So as you do face like a mess for taxi.
It's okay.
Speak.
It's true, Ma. Bullion Van they plan to take over the gang for some time now.
It's okay. It's okay. No,
I'm sorry. She said she was going to kill me.
Go back.
I'm sorry.
Oh, you won't continue to lie, Abi. Okay, now you're not fit talk again. Now, hot yam, they your mat now, Abi. You're not fit talk. And I trusted you. How come I not even notice? Say you betray me. Normally, I know the trust, oh. Because normally, if trust there, water no go boil fish. But I don't look you say because say you be my smallie. But based on who I be, I cannot lose guard 100.
Mama P, this way they talk, I don't understand because you sabi me, oh. Mama P, clear me finish now. Money don't lost before.
Now the first time money they lost from my organization. But this one you put on because now you run the business. You run the streets, BV.
Mama P, reason this thing where? Now me, Bullion Van, now me, oh. I be your strong ally.
Now me make you for this Lagos. You don't hear me? Now me make you. All call the top pass you. Now if you talk too much, I'll cut you. You don't hear me? Man, get him out of here.
Go on. Muna calm down. Una sabi wa bi o. Una sabi wa bi o. Mama P, this way they do yourself. I don't forget.
Get him out of here.
Now leave me now.
We know they crying here for you. It's like Shikoko we so touchy body. I back my men to release you. Get out!
Thank you, Ma.
Horrible. BV.
Who be that? Who be that? Wetin dey fight for here? Wetin you want?
Who you be? Who I employ you for? Wetin you do for my house?
Alhaji house, you dey craze?
Alhaji? Who be Alhaji?
No, na me. Come on here, Jare.
I say wetin you dey do for my house? You dey say come on here. This is not my house. Come on here. Who employ you for here?
Which house? Come for here, Jare.
See, I beg. I no wan vex for you. After everything I don go through today, I just wan go my bathtub, run water, you relax. To wash away this frustration. And then come out from my house.
Which house? Na you get the house. Come on here. Na so na go dey. Come on here, Jare.
I say make I go inside the house, make I show you my evidence say I read this house.
Which inside? You don't get any property for this house. Come on for here. You don't get any property. Come on for here.
Wait till do my property.
Oh. Okay, now you get all those property. They don't throw you for dustbin. Go check.
My designer clothes. Oh, my designers. Oh, my designers.
Better pack am before PSP come o.
My phone! My phone! My phone! My phone, you dey craze! You cannot take my phone, you don't take my phone! I for lock you for prison! No worry. Just give me 2 minutes now. I'll come and see what you come up from my house. I don't know where you will come inside my house. I'll show you now.
Papa, thank you. Baba mi osulorun. I'm so happy. Hey, you saved me from devil's hand. You saved me from devil's hand. Hey, quickly. Hey, that's why I for just go like that. Papa, you see, Papa, you see, me. Me. They want to get me. That's why I for just go. Baby. This one the sound again. See, this one tell me say I don't come for house. I never even enter house. My village people don't define me. Who be this one? Who be this one again? Eseosa! You never died. What if now say they won't come confirm if me I don't die? I don't go pay this call. They get me okunle. Don't be ring again.
Hello? Who is this, please?
Agent, now which kind of house you give me rent? Now which kind of house you give me?
This is not agent, please.
Not they lie to me. I know your voice anywhere, anytime, anywhere. Agent, come solve this matter. Person dey in front of my house. He just say now you get the house.
I will let the agent know when he come back.
They come quick and beg, or else. Submit the $500 so I give you.
It be coming down now. Wait till we carry, wait till you throw away. You know the 30% with 500 kini. I dey come now. Faraburuko ebale ko sepan. I dey come now. Ibo lo kagba ko Akanchawa Baddie. Ibadi. It be like say they don't use juju for me on top this Ibadi matter. Because how? Wait till I won't come here go like this now. I be say make I shower before I go. Eseosa. How you think escape them those terrorists for the place?
Agent, that will not be the reason why I call you for here. I beg. Go chase the person where they say my house pursue and come out. I beg. I want bath.
And then those your friends who come. Sorry. Then the house help and the gate man.
Agent, that will not concern me. I beg. Call caretaker. I beg. Come stop this mess where they here. I don't know these people. They even throw bad things for us. They leave my things for us. Which kind of rubbish be this? I beg. Call caretaker. I beg. Stop this nonsense.
Wait first. Person they call me. Farabale. You know be omo ade. Na him kuku dey call. Hello? Caretaker manase. You say wetin? Wetin you dey talk? I say make you find me house wey get balcony wey dey face me Banana Island. Why you no tell me say person dey there wey don get the place? Hello?
What? Wetin?
Hello?
Wetin?
Le buruku don cut.
Abi they met, he cut call. On top rent I pay for 4 million naira. Agent, I beg me una no face me. Me una go come out 2 days at my house. I beg I no want problem. In fact, you know wait, just give me my money.
Me say if I see say no wonder the house take cheap. I don't look at complete duplex for 4 million naira. It's not possible.
Agent, na big mistake where I make where I give you access to help me rent house. Give me my money back. Just give me my money back.
Which money they talk? Which money they talk? I beg me, I don't owe any money. I don't owe any money. And you can't even talk like say the money na your sweat and your blood. Now you take. No be jagwa, na you jagwa. No be jagwa, na you jagwa. Talk now, no be jagwa, you stay jagwa.
I thief the money from your house. I thief the money from your house. Agent, give me back my money.
Whoa, Ibadi, carry your bag. Make we dey go. I go find another apartment for you.
I don't want another apartment. I want my house. This is my house now. I pay for now. I want.
No vex. You just confess. Maybe we find one place. Sit down. We go talk the matter. I go help you find another one. Better house.
So why be you here?
I don't want another apartment.
Maybe you still first come when we sit down, we talk about the matter. We go think what we want to do. Now you know where you go jagba money.
My house, shall I be this? Agent, I want them house for Lekki, I beg.
Who be that girl? Verona, who be that girl?
Which kind of question be that? Who be who?
So you dey carry woman from my back, abi?
Shall I not tell you na my sister?
What stupid sister? Since when you get sister? I come inside this room, I see the way the both of them wrap each other for bed. Now so brother and sister they behave. That's how they behave.
Osaze nko, you think I know they watching that too?
Oh. So now the woman when you dey friend be that? Now the girl when you dey friend be that?
Shucks! You grab me for clothes. Hey! Abomination. Oh my, you go fit give person one day. Oh yeah. Come carry your bag, come out from my house. Oh yeah.
Eh?
Come. Where that your brother make come carry property? Oh yeah.
What did they happen now? What did they occur now?
That's one question I ask. So next thing he begin to weigh bag. You don't do agree now. Your sister.
Senior man.
Your sister won't kill me.
Beg, just calm down.
Oh, na talk wetin I want talk. I give you 2 minutes.
Bro, calm down now, beg. Just...
I cannot take this in my house.
But you were no girls, and you go dey ask plenty questions. What did they happen now?
What is the meaning of that one? I bet wetin we go do now?
Which one be wetin we go do? Now simple thing. Now you go meet and beg am. Now me forgive you normally now. You don't know everything we don pass through today. You won't come go carry us go sleep for outside join am. Go beg am. Just calm down. Every man get weak points, especially the left nipple. Just go there, clean am, tell am sorry. You go calm down.
Benro.
Which kind of move voice be that? If not you go accept am. Twist that voice.
Benro, baby.
That's it. Activate him. Now move everybody na mumu.
Baby.
On the wrong way person don't run today, or on the wrong way bag. When I behave, go use na own to spoil my own.
Thank you.
Where be this?
Welcome to my humble abode.
We passed 10 million bridge, come here.
May you come here, Ibadi. Where we dey? Na Orita. Na Highland be this. Na mainland be this. Where we come dey? Na for the middle. Wetin we dey call here na main island. You.
Agent, I bet you go pursue the person wey dey my house. Because I don't want to stay main island. Now I want to go back to my house for Lekki because I go dey close to my postcode, Banana Island. Now that be my goal. I don't want to stay main island. I don't do mainland. I do only island.
Oh, Ibadi, you be coming down, you all of the pan, Say, I don't tell you, say everything. We go sort out in Pasito. Tani.
Be Akanchawa Baddie millionaire with this. I don't feel they stay this dungeon. We're all dirty.
Where this guy now? When you won't come, they sit down.
I just dey look, dey laugh. You see that 20,000 when he chop, he go pour jam. Making more just give am. More no need to call. Who done the call?
My able candidate.
One and there. Who be your able candidate? Who they follow you? They play all those kind of move play. Where did it happen?
Why you come your blood just dey hot? Why you dey change am for me like that?
Baba, the way we just do for you now, make you refund our money quietly, make peace your reigns.
They calm down now. I'm a fabuku bale. Say we dey fight ni.
Which kind of talk be that? Whether we dey fight, you know the problem you don't put us. You give us job 3 days, we don't even last for the job. Job won't come they involve life and death. Which kind of trouble be all those ones?
Osaze, now the same way when you take that trouble, now me say I take that trouble.
Oh God, give us money. No, they talk all these things. I beg, just give us our money.
No, they pity person.
Baba, there are 2 options. Either you give us our money, or you find job for us instantly.
I don't need job. Give us money. Make we go find where we go stay. Where they pay me? Give us the money.
Una no get where I go stay.
Okay, like say how they pay. You know they see our bag. We don't get where we go stay. You know they mean us stranded. Stranded. Any other way to define stranded?
Calm down, Ijare. You when you dey wait first, make person think. So wait first. So if I come say make I find place for una to stay for like 4 days, until I see another work give una. How about that one? Think am well, yo. Where una go stay? Water dey. Una go shop. Una go sleep, fanda. Eh? Everything is there, pasito.
Because these days, if you greet person good morning, you better make person come outside and check.
Nobody is permanent above and beyond me and below mistake. Nobody
this English, you don't do.
Hey, where they go now? You go stay 5 days. You go chop, you go sleep. Eh?
Carry that bag.
My body they pay me.
Carry that bag. You be bad person.
Hey,
they front now. Be we go know your house. Abeg leave me.
Shaki mama.
Abeg leave me.
Eh? Hey, I know in this life you don't be like say make everybody dey fight all the time. Eh? Small thing, we go settle, we go fight, we go settle.
I need to just go back to my house for Lekki. Eh? Like Patrick is this man they give me. Hey. Get that whip cream where I put for my fridge. You go all cold. Yeah, I'm supposed to enjoy now. No. Patrick chips. Now I chop. Akanchawa Baddie go they chop me. They better Patrick chips. Me, millionaire with ease. Akanchawa Baddie. Where they give people dollars. That reminds me of falling, but I will rise again. I shall rise again.
So, hey, I need to know, madam. Akanchawa Baddie. Why na they look me saying I don't know each other before ni abe olabosi. Me na enter make you go meet your greet your madam. Hey, joko sit down.
You won't blow, I won't blow, everybody won't blow. Now you make Eseosa live beneath. Come Lagos, so small girl with big dreams. Way like the big things. Eseosa no gree for anybody. Make you dey chasing money. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no big get. Akanchawa Baddie, no tire for hustle. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no big get. Akanchawa Baddie, you have to make it. You go blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Pepperless money sweet. Nobody like it off my head. Chasing the money every day. Blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. This how, that how, somehow, anyhow, anywhere, away. You have to blow. You go blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Pepperless money sweet. Nobody like it off my head. Nobody wants suffer. Oh. Blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. This how, that how, somehow, anyhow, anywhere, away. And if you want make level change, wahala must dey. Some people around you go tell you get away because some dey jealous, but no lose focus. Eseosa no gree for anybody. Make you dey chasing money. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no big get. Akanchawa Baddie, you go hold the cash. When you make a